Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. Now, this afternoon, I'm going to show you a 1970 Chevrolet Camaro split bumper. Now, this car has SS badging on it. I'm pretty sure it's not a real SS, but it does have a 396 big block engine underneath the hood. It is a Muncie 4-speed transmission. Car has power steering. It has power brakes with disc brakes on the front. It is a split bumper car. Beautiful maroon paint on this car with gold stripes down it. Really sets this car off. Really a gorgeous automobile. It's got a set of American Racing torque thrust style wheels on it. They are 275/40 ZR17s on the back. And they are, let's see what size front, 215/50 ZR17s on the front. It does have slotted rotors on the front. This car is a very fun car to drive. I took this car for a ride yesterday. It'll really burn the shit out of the tires. Car runs excellent. Fun car to drive. Cowl induction hood. What a beautiful car. That gold stripes in the paint. It's got metallic in that gold. It really sparkles out in the sun. Really a pretty car. I'll open the hood here and show you underneath the hood. There you go. There it is, that big block Chevrolet. Power steering, power brakes. Got some Chevrolet performance valve covers and air cleaner on it. Has an Edelbrock intake with an Edelbrock carburetor. Also has a set of headers on the car. The header wire, it's got the header spark plug wires with the holders on it. That's always nice to see. That way you don't burn up your spark plug wires. Does have a aluminum radiator in the car. All the interior in this car is brand new as well. The GM replacement seat covers, headliner, door panels, carpeting, package tray. There's your door jambs and your sill plates. Seats are in very good shape on this car. Carpet looks nice. Dash pad is nice. It has a set of aftermarket gauges in it. It does have a Hurst shifter in it with the full center console. There's your back seat. Your back seat's in good shape, just like your headliner. Headliner's in good shape as well. There's your sun visors. Your sun visors are there and fully intact. They look good. There's your door panels. And there's the bottom sides of your doors. Door seals are all in good condition. Does have a few little fine scratches in the glass. Nothing real terrible, but it does have a few little fine scratches in the glass. The windshield's in good shape. No major cracks or scratches or chips in that. Your bright work around your windows is in good condition as well. Overall, the body and paint on this car is very good shape. It does have a couple small little blisters right here in the paint. You can hardly see them, but you got to get in the right light, but you can see them just barely. And a little bit of orange peel here on the gold stripes. Nothing that you're ever going to notice outside, but I can tell it a little bit underneath these lights that are in here. It's a very good looking car. Like I say, a few minor imperfections in it, but you're going to have that with any car. And we're going to price this car at $39,900. So you can't hardly go find a split bumper Camaro with a big block in a 4-speed for under $40,000. That's just unheard of. The car is absolutely gorgeous. Same way with this side. Interior's in good shape. Does have a tilt steering column in it. It's got the SS style steering wheel in it. Odometer gauges in this car. There's your door panel on this side. We'll start this bad boy up a little bit and hear it run. All your gauges work, your dash lights work. girl's a little bit cold-blooded. Yep, she's a little bit cold-blooded. You'll have that with any muscle car. Sounds nice, everybody. There's your license plate light, your tail light, your left turn signal's on, your side marker lights all work. Just a gorgeous car. Again, split bumper 70 Camaro. Got the spoiler underneath. All the lights work. Man, what a great muscle car this is. And especially for under $40,000. Are you kidding me? Get you some of this. This car is a bad, bad car. Give us a call today, 563-452-2450. Kenyon Classic Cars, KINIONAUTO, KenyonAuto.com. Thanks for watching our videos. Hope everyone has a great afternoon.